The decision to quit smoking is a difficult but courageous one. Quitting smoking is a journey towards regaining health and restoring well-being. Shedding the smoking habit is a process, and one can embark on this journey with the right support, commitment, and determination. The following article explores where to start when trying to quit smoking, the courage to take the first step and to commit to this process of change. Quitting smoking can be seen as a journey. Breaking the habit involves altering behaviors, replacing one's physical, mental, and emotional patterns, and developing coping strategies to overcome any cravings. It will take conscious effort and dedication, but committing to taking the steps that culminate in an everlasting change could benefit one's overall well-being. It is important to recognize that it is not an easy journey and that one should be prepared for some bumps along the way. Some potential challenges to be aware of are: physical addiction. 1. Dealing with the imagined physical addiction to nicotine. 2. Managing increased stress levels. 3. Dealing with physical withdrawal symptoms. 4. Dealing with any changes in appetite. Mental and emotional dependence. 1. Undergoing an emotional roller coaster. 2. Managing cravings and triggers. 3. Adjusting to the lifestyle changes. Taking the first step, harnessing the courage to quit smoking. Quitting smoking is a huge personal accomplishment. To be successful, one needs to take the first step and embrace the courage to lift this habit. Stepping away from the habit will bring about new lifestyle changes which can lead to personal growth and better overall health. Quitting smoking is a choice one makes for themselves, and the rewards from doing so are invaluable. Identifying potential triggers of smoking, e.g. stress and fatigue, and providing oneself with distraction techniques and positive reinforcements are some tools one can use when trying to quit. A support system like joining a quit smoking program, having family or friends to turn to, attending counseling or therapy sessions, or even enlisting with an online support community are all beneficial to ensure one's commitment to the quit smoking journey. Changes can be difficult, but they can bring about beneficial outcomes. Quitting smoking is no easy feat and requires commitment and dedication. Harnessing the courage to take the first step is the beginning of a long but rewarding journey. With the right support, determination, and dedication, one can quit the smoking habit. Quantum Life Repair takes a very thorough and personalized approach to helping you become a non-smoker. Since every person is different, with different triggers and root causes, we start with a free 30-minute discovery session where your individualized needs are assessed, and a personalized program is devised just for you. This approach to quitting smoking truly works for anyone who truly wishes to become a non-smoker for the rest of their life. Just imagine how you'll feel as a non-smoker. Food will taste better, you'll have more energy, and there will be more money in your bank account at the end of each month. These things are well worth the effort to make this major change to your lifestyle. As one of the leading causes of death in many countries, smoking is a real health hazard, and many people are looking to quit the habit. Quitting smoking sounds like a daunting task, but when approached in the right way, it can be done. There are steps that can be taken to make the transition to a healthier life easier, including hypnosis, cognitive behavioral therapy, journaling, and professional counseling. Take the following steps to become a non-smoker. The first step in quitting smoking is to have an honest talk with yourself about why you want to quit. Having a clear and achievable goal can provide motivation and helps to keep an individual on track. It is important to focus on the positive aspects of quitting, such as better health, improved well-being, more money on hand, and lower risk of cancer and emphysema. The second step is developing a plan. A plan helps to break the habit into smaller and more manageable steps. This could include avoiding triggers, hypnotherapy, cognitive behavioral therapy, CBT, exercising, and eating healthy. It is also important to note one's successes through journaling, as this can be motivating and encourages the individual to stay on track. The third step in quitting smoking is surrounding oneself with a support network. This could include friends and family, coworkers, online groups, or a local smoking cessation clinic. Keeping friends who smoke away would also be beneficial, but not usually necessary when one seeks professional help like hypnotherapy and/or cognitive behavioral therapy. Consider how much money you'll save. It is also important to consider the financial implications by estimating the amount of money spent on cigarettes and attempting to put that amount of money in a savings account. Doing this can be a great source of motivation as one can see the tangible benefits they are receiving from quitting smoking. At the time this article was written, the average cost for a pack of cigarettes in the United States is approximately $8 per pack. That quickly adds up to a lot of money. Finally, it is important to remember that quitting smoking is not easy. It is normal to slip up and go back to smoking. However, it is important to keep trying and never give up. With the right mindset and support, anyone can quit and experience the benefits that come with doing so, and these benefits will last a lifetime. Thanks for watching. Take back control of your life today. Let's talk.